Walking out into a wide, open field with a new piece of tech can feel like a massive risk. You worry about a sudden gust of wind. You worry about losing your connection. But the world of mid-range drones has changed so much lately. And this specific foldable flyer is a perfect example of why the barrier to entry is disappearing. It is designed for the person who wants pro-level features without the pro-level price tag. The construction feels solid, not like a flimsy toy. Those brushless motors are the secret sauce here. They are smooth. They are powerful. They do not vibrate like the old school gear used to. When you power it up, you hear that low, steady hum. It feels reliable. The arms fold down into a package that fits right in the palm of your hand. It is made for the traveler who does not want to carry a giant suitcase just to get some aerial shots. The real magic happens once it leaves the ground. The global positioning system is like an invisible anchor in the sky. It connects to a network high above, and it uses that data to stay perfectly still, even if a breeze kicks up. The drone fights back. It holds its position with incredible precision. If you are a beginner, this is your safety net. You can literally let go of the controller to take a breath, and the drone will just wait for you. It stays right there. Then there is the return to home feature. It is a lifesaver. If the battery gets too low, or if you fly a bit too far and lose the signal, the drone does not just fall. It remembers its takeoff point. It rises to a safe height, pivots, and flies itself back to your feet. It takes the panic out of the experience. You are also getting an ultra-high-definition camera mounted on a stabilizing gimbal. This is where your travel stories come to life. You get those slow, sweeping cinematic movements that make a simple backyard look like a movie set. The transmission uses a high-speed signal to send a live feed directly to your phone. You see exactly what the lens sees, with almost zero delay. This makes framing your shots so much easier. You can line up the horizon. You can track a moving car. You can focus on the composition rather than just trying to keep the craft level. Now, you have to be realistic about the sensor. In bright, natural light, the colors pop. The details are sharp. It is perfect for sharing on social media or showing off your vacation. However, when the light fades, you will see some grain. It is not going to replace a multi-$1,000 cinema rig, but for the hobbyist, it is more than enough. You also get some very clever flight modes. The obstacle avoidance sensors are like having extra eyes. They help you navigate around trees or walls without a scratch. You can set the drone to follow you while you walk, or have it circle a landmark automatically. It does the complex math of flying so you can just enjoy the view. You get about 20 minutes in the air per charge. It goes by fast, so having a second battery is a smart move. This machine represents a huge leap for people who want to explore the sky. It is approachable. It is smart. It is stable. It turns a scary hobby into a fun, creative outlet. You are not just buying a gadget. You are buying a new way to see the world around you, from a perspective that used to be reserved for the birds. It is an impressive balance of power and simplicity, making the sky accessible to anyone with a bit of curiosity. This drone proves you do not need to be a professional pilot to capture something beautiful. It handles the technical side, so you can focus on the story you are trying to tell from the clouds. It is about the freedom of movement, the joy of discovery, and the confidence that your gear has your back. Every flight is a chance to see your world in a way that just was not possible a few years ago.